In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page 1 of X footers in Google Sheets. Adding clear page numbers is essential when you're printing or sharing multi-page spreadsheets, and Google Sheets makes this easy from the print setup. Start by opening your sheet and going to File, then Print. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This opens the print preview where you can see exactly how your pages will look before you send them to a printer or save them as a PDF. On the right side of the preview, scroll until you find the section labeled Headers and Footers. This is where all the standard header and footer controls live. Turn on page numbers by checking the box. As soon as you do, the preview will update, and in most cases you'll see a footer that reads Page 1 of X, automatically reflecting the current page and the total number of pages based on your print settings, margins, orientation, scaling, and page breaks. If you want more control over where this appears or how it looks, click Edit Custom Fields. This opens editable boxes for the left, center, and right areas of your footer. Click the box where you want your page numbering to appear, left, center, or right, depending on your layout and what else might be in your footer. Now you'll enter the content. In the footer box you selected, type the word page followed by a space, then insert the page number using the page number button located just below the field. After that, type a space, the word of another space, and if your interface shows a page count option, click it to insert the total number of pages. Your field will now read something like page number of page count, and the live preview on the left should display the exact values, such as page 1 of 5. If you only see a page number button, don't worry. The page numbers checkbox you enabled earlier will still handle page numbering consistently, and the preview will show you how it will print. Take a moment to glance at the preview and confirm placement and spacing. If your total page count changes because you adjust margins, scaling, or add content, the numbers will update automatically. When it looks right, you're all set. Your spreadsheet will print with clean, professional page 1 of X footers exactly where you want them.